and welcome. Today we will be making egg pie and s'mores pie. So here are the ingredients that you will need. For the pie crust, you will need 1 and 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup butter, 1 egg yolk, and 3 tablespoons cold water. In a bowl, pour in your sifted flour. Add the sugar, followed by the salt. Mix. Then add your butter. Here you will need a pastry cutter, but if you don't have one, a fork will do. We will incorporate the cold butter into the flour. This method is called cut-in method. When it is all crumbled up, we can add the egg yolk. And gradually add in the water. Until we form a dough. Place the dough in a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. When the pie dough is chilled, dust your working table and rolling pin with a little bit of flour. Roll out the dough, just enough thickness where it can hold the filling and not break apart. Bake this for 15 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature. For the s'mores pie filling, we will need 3/4 cup all-purpose cream, 1 and 1/2 cup chocolate chunks, and marshmallows. Melt the chocolate chunks with the all-purpose cream. Pour the chocolate mixture in the baked pie crust. Refrigerate until the chocolate is set. When the chocolate is set, put the marshmallows on top. Broil this until the marshmallows are nicely torched. For the egg pie filling, you will need 370 ml of evaporated milk, 5 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 egg white, in a mixing bowl, whisk in your 5 eggs until all is scrambled together. Then, while mixing, pour in the evaporated milk. Followed by the sugar, and vanilla. Beat the egg white until it becomes foamy. Add it to the egg and milk mixture. Brush your pie pan with butter. Put the dough in the pan carefully. When the pie dough is ready, pour in the mixture. Bake this for 40 minutes in a 160 degrees Celsius temperature. can now enjoy your s'mores pie and egg pie. Thank you for watching!